Okay, go to your mail.
55 feet somewhere on that line.
We'll select the one with the attachments. I'm going to go where you have
So that line's gonna be
your
right here.
blueprints.
Oh, good. So I think we're gonna be okay.
You select.
By the way, what about
Here?
sanitary leak? Is that interference?
You want to print.
The pool is not near the. Okay.
When you look at the settings on
Okay.
the print settings,
It's about 55
make sure you have your printer selected, which is the HP Design Jet T520 24-inch. Make sure your presets are default settings. Then under paper size, make sure you're 24 by 36. PDF annotations are up to you. Once you have these selected, you're going to go ahead and hit print. And then if you don't get what you're looking for here, then you might want to go back to your printer, and then you can go into make sure that your paper is set to roll and not multi-sheet. Last time it was set to multi-sheet. We want to make sure it's set to roll. Okay, if that's done and it's loaded correctly, you should be able to print as soon as you hit the print button. If it won't let you select multi or let you select roll, then it's a paper load issue. Be sure that when you load this, when you push this paper down, push this paper down evenly on both sides all the way until you hear the printer make a chime. Once the printer chimes, that's how you know the paper feed was loaded correctly. Close the lid, and then you'll see a green light here. Okay? And then you should be ready to print.